Have you ever promised yourself you'll start working out, study every day, or finally start that dream project, but 2 days later your motivation just disappears? Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Today, I'm going to share 7 powerful tips that will keep you motivated every single day, no matter how busy, tired, or distracted life gets. Hi friends, welcome back. Your place for self-improvement, motivation, and building a better life. If you want to stay consistent and achieve your goals, watch this video till the end, because tip number 7 is a game changer that most people never use. Tip 1. Start with your why. Motivation is like a car, and your why is the fuel. If you don't know why you're doing something, you'll quit the moment it gets tough. Instead of just saying, "I want to lose weight," ask yourself, why? Is it to feel healthier, look confident, live longer for your family? Write down your why and read it every morning. It will remind you why you started, even when you feel lazy. Tip 2. Break big goals into small steps. Here's the truth. Big goals are exciting, but also overwhelming. Want to learn a new language? Don't start with, "I'll study 3 hours every day." Instead, start with just 15 minutes daily. Small wins create momentum, and momentum is addictive. Remember, motivation doesn't come before action. Action creates motivation. Tip 3. Use the 5-minute rule. Feeling lazy? Tell yourself, "I'll do it for just 5 minutes." Most of the time, once you start, you'll naturally keep going. The hardest part is starting. The 5-minute rule tricks your brain into action. Tip 4. Surround yourself with positive energy. Motivation is contagious. If you hang out with people who complain all day, you'll feel drained. Surround yourself, online or offline, with people who inspire you. Listen to podcasts, watch motivational videos, read success stories. Fill your mind with fuel, not garbage. Tip 5. Track your progress. Visually. Our brains love progress. Use a habit tracker, a calendar, or even a notebook to mark every day you make progress. When you see 10 days in a row checked off, you won't want to break the streak. This is called the chain effect. It's a secret weapon for long-term motivation. Tip 6. Reward yourself. Motivation is easier when you make it fun. Reward yourself after completing a task. Watch an episode of your favorite show, eat a small treat, or take a relaxing break. Your brain will start associating work with pleasure, making it much easier to keep going. Tip 7. Focus on discipline, not motivation. And here's the secret. Motivation is temporary. Some days you'll feel like working, and some days you won't. That's why you need discipline, doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. Motivation starts the journey, but discipline finishes it. Build daily habits so that working on your goals becomes automatic, like brushing your teeth. So, to stay motivated every day, know your why. Break it into small steps. Use the 5-minute rule. Stay around positive people. Track your progress. Reward yourself. Build discipline. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who needs motivation, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. And remember, motivation gets you started, but habits keep you going. Start today, not someday.